Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video we're going to talk about a Windows update error, which is there were some problems installing updates, but we'll try again later. If you keep seeing this and want to search the web or contact support for information, this may help. It gives you the error code, which is 0x80070643. In this video I'm going to show you a few things that you can try in order to fix this issue. First of all, let's run the Windows update troubleshooter. So just click on the start button and then click on the settings icon, go down a bit to update and security, and then click on troubleshoot. Here select additional troubleshooters, and here from the get up and running section select or click on Windows update. Then click on run the troubleshooter, and Windows will automatically try to detect all the problems and will try to fix the issues that appear along the way when you're trying to check for updates or whenever you're trying to install new updates on your Windows operating system. So just wait for the process to be finished, and then you should be good to go. Windows will start to resolve the problems after a while, and it completely reset the Windows update process. And of course, after the whole process is finished, make sure to check if the problem is fixed. If after running this process or this troubleshooter the problem isn't fixed, there are a few other things that I'm going to show you in this video that could be helpful to you. Now let's make sure that Windows Update and the background intelligent transfer services are available and running. So for that, we're just going to click on the search icon and type in here services.msc, press enter. Here in the right side, firstly look for background intelligent transfer service, double click on it. If the service status is stopped, click on start, and the background intelligent transfer service will be starting again, and then click on OK. Now go down a bit to Windows Update. Here double click on it. If it's already running, click on stop, and then start it again to basically restart the whole process, and then click on OK, and you can exit out from services.msc. We can also try to run a few commands in our command prompt. So just click on the search box, type in here cmd, right click on cmd, and then click on run as administrator. On user account control, click on yes. First of all, in user account control, type in this command, copy it from the description down below because you will find it there. Enter to run the command. Basically, this command will try to restore the health of your system image if it has any damage or corrupted files and stuff like that. And after the process is finished, copy and paste in this second command, sfc/scannow. This command basically will start to scan the operating system for missing or corrupted important system files, and will try to replace them or fix them if that's the case. Press enter, and this system file checker process will begin. Wait for it. It could take up to 30 minutes depending on your system resources and storage, but wait for it to be finished, and after it is finished, make sure to restart your system. We can also reset Windows 10 using a script, a .bat script in Windows. This portion of the video is optional. You don't need to do this or try this, but it could be useful. Just download the script from down below in the video's description. If you receive this message while using Edge or other browsers that it was blocked because it could harm your device, you can just let it through because I'm going to show you what the file contains, and it's 100% safe. Just click on this three dots and click on keep, and then click on show more and keep anyway. So we have the script here, reset and re-register Windows Update components. So I'm just going to open a notepad in order to show you what the file contains. So I'm going to go to file and open, and I'm going to open all the files and this particular script. So you have here the script, who is the creator, when it was updated, the official website, and you have here all the lines that could interest you, and you will see that this will only call functions and stuff from Windows, and will run a few commands in order to reset and re-register the Windows Update components. So just double click on the script and then click on more info if this smart screen appears, and click on run anyway, and then click on yes. And as you can see, you will be able to follow up the whole process in the CMD. As you can see, it deletes all kind of log files from the Windows Update components. Just wait for the whole process to be finished, and after that, Windows Update will be completely reset and re-registered on your operating system. If you get any errors like this, the system was unable to find the specified registry key or value, don't worry about that, because that means your system doesn't contain a specific registry key or value, so that should not be a problem. And now you'll receive this message: please save and close anything open now before the computer is restarted, and then press any key to continue, press enter, and if you'll press enter, the system will be restarted. Press enter for the system to be restarted. After the system is restarted, check the Windows Update from the settings and Windows Update and see if Windows Update is working as it should. Check for updates and see if you get that error anymore. If you don't, I'm glad you solved the issue. If this video was useful, don't forget to leave a like down below this video and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.